Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'll be your host. My name's Cody. Today we're gonna hike down and look for an anomaly that I found on Google Earth recently. We're gonna go down a pretty large draw, and at the bottom of the draw we're gonna have to go up and around a mountain to find this. Let's go have some fun. Okay guys, I just wanted to quick check-in. So my bike ride here has been pretty brutal. Maybe I should have worn pants. This isn't a bike trail. It's not necessarily even a human trail. So I just wanted to show you what we're getting into here. Here's where I just had to stop. As you can see, I'm just gonna open that gap up to get through. Hey, it's an adventure, right? Let's have some fun. Okay, well, we're about to start our foot journey up the hill, up the draw behind us. Ultimately, we're gonna go get up on top of that mountain that you can't see. Okay, let's do it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go a little ways up into this draw. I attempted this one other time and I wound up having to go the other side of the mountain I went up, and it was pretty much a cliff. I pretty much chose the hardest way possible. I just want to give a shout out the Trek Planner and the Desert Drifter. I started watching their videos a little while back and just thought they were great. Looks like we got some sort of a game trail. Pretty good game trail. There's no cows out here. This must be elk and deer, but the way that it's tracked out, I'm gonna go with milk. So I seem to have screwed up my GPS coordinates on this. I can't figure out how to get it to work. So we're now winging it. Might have to go to the top of that. I don't know. Get somewhere higher and see if maybe we can send the drone up. Let's go up to the top of that flat and see what we can find. See if we can see from there. Although this is very steep, it's not a cliff like the other side. That's too steep. Ah. Okay, we're getting close to the top of what I hope to be the rim of this mountain. And then, if with any luck, we can just follow the spine down. This would be a good spot to launch a drone. I think we'll do that. Well, the drone footage is inconclusive, so I think we might have to go over to that next rim over there. Let's have a look around here though. This looks kind of neat. Very cool. We'll go ahead and put that guy back. He seems to have found something. There we go. Another little something, I believe. Oh, cool. Look at it in the light. And on we go. This is pretty cool. So very steep, and I'm going up a sea of pine cones. We're getting close to the top, guys. Oh, this looks cool. We're at the top. We reached the summit. Oh, and just like that. See it? Oh, just a chip. Not sure what that material is. Oh. You see it? What do we got here? No way. Cool. Look at that. We got an arrowhead. Okay, so I'm gonna put that guy back where it was because taking an artifact is illegal and unethical. Okay, let's see what else we can find. Cool. What is this? Cool. Well, if nothing else, guys, it is awesome up here. And the arrowhead was amazing. Huh. And that's not so bad either. Check out these tracks. Big old elk came lumbering down this hill. This is really cool up here. A long ways down there. There's something else. We got us a full arrowhead, boys and girls. Oh my goodness. That is a strange color arrowhead. Look at that thing. Okay, as always, put it back where it was. Whoa. We got the midsection of a projectile point, missing the tip right here, missing the bottom right here. So it's just like the midsection. No way. It's broke, but we got a tip of some kind of arrowhead or... Wave the towel. We got quite the journey to get back. Again, this looks like Bigfoot country in here. Whoa, look at this mushroom. Another one. Well, I certainly wish I would have dropped a pin where I left the bike, and I thought about this. see the tire track, so my bike is this way. Oh, did I fail to mention I am also an expert tracker. Professional level for sure. Hey! Look. Told you I was an expert tracker. That's awesome.